Hi guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I am here to do a quick little unboxing. Oh my gosh, y'all, honestly I forgot I even ordered this item. So this was one of those like really hard to get items from Louis Vuitton, and I was trying to order it before like the price increase and whatnot. So my CA or SA, whatever you want to call it, client advisor, sales associate, let's start calling it client advisor. I think it sounds a little better. But yeah, she's so amazing, but she was able to find this for me. I think this was ordered like 2 months ago. Honestly, like it's been a long time, so I totally even forgot it until like I got a little email, and then UPS knocked on my door, and I was like, oh okay, because you know you kind of have to sign for it. But now they just ask you for your last name because they don't want to be like, you know, in contact with you or whatever due to, you know, the virus and all that. So yeah, but I was like, oh my gosh, you know what, let me open it on camera because I feel like this is an item like everyone like really loves, and it's like I said, it's really hard to get. So yeah, so I'm really excited to show you guys on camera. And yeah, this is like a random like quick video that I'm gonna be putting out there, so hopefully you guys will enjoy. And what else can I say? Oh, if you guys have not checked out my new video on my Saint Laurent envelope bag, you guys go check it out. It is an amazing review, and I show you guys mod shots and everything. So if you're in a market for like a black bag or like a YSL bag in general, you can kind of see the quality of it and everything. What else? Oh yes, girl, if you are here and you're new, please hit that subscribe button because I will be doing my 2000 or 2K giveaway as soon as I hit 2000 subscribers. But yeah, I am really excited for that. I don't know what I'm doing as a giveaway yet, but you guys can leave me comments down below and like give me ideas. And of course, if you're a seasoned subscriber, I love you and I really appreciate you. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram too. I really post a lot on Instagram, and I do like few giveaways here and there on my Instagram as well, and it's at Makeup Love Divina, so check that out as well. But yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys want as a giveaway this time, because I've done like a few different ones. If you guys have not seen those, you can also look at those on my channel as well. I have those videos where I show you guys what I did as a giveaway and the winners and all that. So yeah, I don't know, I'm like really like excited for this. All right, y'all, so here is the box right here. If you've never got anything from Louis Vuitton, it comes in this little brown box. Obviously UPS is the only carrier that delivers Louis Vuitton stuff, so I'm gonna cover this part up. I have my scissors right here, but I feel like I don't need my scissors. So I'm going to cover up my address and everything. And of course, this was the next day air, but like I said, it was ordered such a long time ago that I totally forgot about it. So yeah, in case you're wondering, here's the stuff right here. So let's get to opening the box. I really forgot how you open this. I believe it's this thing right here. I'm not a person that likes to order stuff online, FYI. Like, I always like to go in store, see, especially if it's that much money, you know. But yeah, here we go. Here it says Louis Vuitton right here. Oh, and do you guys love my nails? They're so cute. I don't know, I was thinking of pink and hearts, so Valentine's Day theme kind of. So yeah, my last video I did, my nails were so horrible. I was like, oh my gosh, y'all, let me fix this. But yeah. Oh, okay. It's like in a weird way. All right, guys. There it is. It's something little, you can tell. So just let me tell y'all, okay, I have not seen this in person, and I have not like touched it or anything, so this is gonna be a surprise for me and you both. So yeah. All right, what is this? Of course you know what this is. This is gonna be, so I have my return label right here. It's gonna show my stuff, isn't it? Okay, so yeah, exchanges, returns. If you guys didn't know that Louis Vuitton now has a 30-day exchange or return policy. It used to be 14. But yeah, here's that stuff right here. What else? Here's my receipt. And this has my address and how I paid for it. And where's my receipt? Where's my receipt actually? Oh, you know what? I think I have my receipt in my in my emails, duh. But yeah, so this just says Louis Vuitton, and it says Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by an experienced artisan with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care following strict sanitary guidelines. Please prevent any contact with oils, alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on louisvuitton.com, and then it says English, US product care. And it has Louis Vuitton's number on it right there. That's new. But yeah, guys, let's get into the actual unboxing. Okay, so my client advisor was telling me I love her so much. I've been working with her for like a few years. She's so awesome. But she was just telling me that there's been like such a shortage. Like this, there's no bow, nothing. There's been a shortage, I guess, with all of their like packaging. So with Louis Vuitton, I don't know what's going on. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the virus and whatnot, but we're gonna open this up. Can you guys guess what it is? By the title, you're gonna know what it is. But you guys, it is the card holder and the reverse monogram. And I love the reverse monogram print right here. This is my Pochette Matisse, and I'm obsessed with the reverse monogram. Oh my gosh. So of course I wanted a little piece. I don't have any card holders from Louis Vuitton. I have their wallets for sure, but not any card holders. Only card holders I have is from Saint Laurent, YSL, and Chanel. So yay. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited for this, y'all, because okay, I wouldn't have to open it all over there like that, but you guys, I am so excited for this because I have not seen this in person. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm like a little nervous because I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Okay, let's open it.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm not trying to peek. Oh, do you love? Oh my gosh. It's so cute. And here's the back. Of course, it's the reverse. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Okay, there's nothing. And it is the reverse. So you have the reverse with the monogram with the reverse. And I believe it goes all the way down. And on this side as well. Oh my gosh, this is really like soft and nice. And like I said, here's the dust bag for if y'all are wondering. But you guys, I have not had any card holders from Louis Vuitton. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, let's just look at the glazing together because I know people sometimes have like issues with it. I think mine's look good. But again, this is a really hard piece to find, so I don't want to be too picky or anything. But yeah, let's see. Ooh, and mine's made in France, which I have an obsession with having stuff made in France. So like, hello. But yeah, here it is. Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Is it gonna focus? I hope it did. Let's see what's in here. These are the little. So we have the Louis Vuitton textile coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. There it goes. And then it just says pochette, whatever. So the number is M69161 if y'all want to check it out on the website. But yeah, I will of course leave all this. I'm gonna put this in here in this box actually. So I'm gonna leave everything down below for you guys. Oh my gosh. I love the way Louis Vuitton products smell. Let me tell you guys, okay, let's see. Let's just grab this one for example. This is my YSL card holder, and this is like in there, gosh, I don't know if this is, I forgot what leather this is, but this is so like soft and movable, and this is reminding me of the same way. Okay, so we have that one. This is the smooth one. Now if I go to my YSL, this one does not move. This is like really structured, but I almost like the structure because I feel like, you know, like nothing's gonna really fall out and stuff. So like this is pretty good, and I've used and abused this for a few years now. So but yeah, so you see the difference, you guys? Structure, like this is more like it's hard, and this one is more like movable. So I don't know if that's gonna be a good thing or a bad thing. And this is really, really flat, if y'all could see. It's really flat, so I don't know if I like that. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I like it because it's so flat. So I don't know if it's like, I have to really like play with it and see if I really like it, because I don't know. It's just so flat. I wonder where the, oh, here's the date code right here. I'm so blind. I think it's the 52nd week of 2020. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep this short. Like I said, obviously I just wanted to do an unboxing, but I will let you guys know in an updated video of what I really think about this, like if I'm using it and stuff. But do you see that? Like, it's open. So I don't know how I feel about that. And it's so flat. Like, maybe if this was a guy's wallet, but this is in the women's section. So if you go on to Louis Vuitton and you go on to their section, this is in the women's section. So I'm going to read to you guys really quick what the price is currently before I forget. So yeah, here it is right here. It is currently, of course, out of stock, and it is retailing for $215. And it's never in stock. Even in like the boutiques, it's really, really hard to find. That's why I wanted to get my hands on it. But like I said, there is 2 outside slots, holds credit cards, and 1 interior slot that holds bigger cards and receipts, it says. But you guys, I love the print and everything, but like I said, I don't know how I feel about how flat it is. So I'm just not used to anything like this. So we shall see. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will do like an updated one, or if you follow me on Instagram, I'll let y'all know like how I really, really feel about this. But yeah, here she is one last time. Yes, I love this reverse monogram. Is everything. I wish I could have every single bag. Oh, you know what's on my list on reverse monogram? I probably won't get it anytime soon, but it's on the go in the size. Oh, so pretty. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Of course, the more you subscribe, the faster I can get to that giveaway. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, everything, just leave them down below in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.